You know, we're counting the days close to the holiday, and
so close.
And it's warming up. Winter arrives tomorrow, and we're talking about 60-degree weather. Okay, it comes with rain. Check this out. If you're going to be traveling tomorrow, I really don't have the best time to leave because we are talking about widespread rain all day long, and it's going to be a lot of rain. 1 to 3 inches likely across the board with localized higher amounts if we see any embedded thunderstorms, especially late in the day. That is definitely going to lead to some minor pockets of urban flooding, poor drainage areas, but also watching the rivers. So widespread flood watch starting tonight through tomorrow night. Torrential rain, definitely one of our highest impacts. Flash flooding also potential. Again, if we get any of those thunderstorms, a lot of rain in a short period of time could cause some problems on the roadways. But with the rain, it's going to be windswept. Damaging wind gusts are possible. And those winds out of the south-southeast are going to help push some of the water up along our coast. As we're approaching an astronomically high tide, the south coast will have to watch for some pockets of minor coastal flooding. It's not going to be widespread, but the best potential will be down across the south coast as well as Nantucket. Same area, highest threat of some damaging wind gusts of 50 to even 65 miles per hour through the day on Friday. South Shore, too, you could be dealing with some strong wind gusts, and those winds will be pushing temperatures up. Currently, the winds are very light. That's because high pressure is still in control, but it will continue to scoot away, and this is our developing storm system down across the southeast. It will continue to gather moisture as it rides up the eastern seaboard, and that will just continue to allow for a river of water to push into the region. But right now, it's cold. It's dry. Get all the plans you need to get done for the day today. Temperatures in the teens, 20s, lower 30s in Boston. So hour by hour, I am expecting to see temperatures rise into the upper 40s, close to 50 degrees this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies. The clouds thicken later on tonight, and noticing by 8, 9 o'clock, we're seeing some showers arrive. Be aware if you're traveling northward, see how temperatures are below freezing. There may be a period of some freezing rain, creating some icy spots through the overnight hours before temperatures do warm. But by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, we've got showers across the region, temperatures in the 40s and 50s, and that wind really picking up as we go through the day. The threat of rain goes from the morning commute through the evening commute, and noticing into the 60s. The record high for the day in Boston, 62 degrees. Those gusts, too, and along with the heavy rain, could bring down some trees as well as some power outages. So we're going to have to watch for that through the day on Friday. I am expecting those winds to be strongest down across the southeast. Noticing by 1 o'clock, those gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. And this particular model really showing that potential of some stronger wind gusts, over 60 even, down across the south coast, the Cape and Islands by Friday night. Strongest winds will be late Friday through the overnight before we start to see improvement on Saturday. But still very breezy for your Saturday morning before we dry out. The risk of a few scattered showers continue on Saturday. Temperatures starting off in the upper 50s, but dropping through the day. We dry out for your Sunday. Looks to be seasonable, great for the Patriots game. Temperatures in the 40s. But now, as we approach Monday, there looks to be a weak clipper system that may provide a few festive snowflakes on Monday before we see drier weather develop for our Christmas. So we've got a lot to go on the next several days. Today it's going to be seasonable. Well, to start, temperatures close to 50. That's warmer than average. And the clouds increase. Tomorrow, wet and windy. Winter arrives. And then we're watching for dropping temperatures over the weekend. Slight chance of a few flurries for your Monday before drier and cooler weather moves in for next week.